Hey guys, welcome back to Common Engineering. We're going to do an unboxing video today. A little while back I kickstartered YesWelders Firstess MP200. This is a multi-function welder, plasma cutter, and it's really intended for the home hobbyist. If you've watched my channel before, I think I've got one video up right now. I got 3 more in process. I do a little bit of welding, not a lot. I'm not very good at it. I think I took one course at a community college years ago. But I'm very excited to have this because I had 2 welders and no plasma cutters. And the 2 welders took up a fair amount of space in the garage. I'll actually show you later a video where I create my own welding cart out of an old toolbox and set this up on it. But for now, we're just going to do the unboxing of this thing. I received it today. Bella, stop. Those will be the bomb dogs, making sure that the package is not armed or anything. And by that I mean they're barking out the window at a school bus passing by. I received this morning. Today is December 9th. And I am in Maryland. Let's open this thing up. Alright guys, we have a welding clamp. All things considered, that's pretty nice. I don't know how well you can see that. Right. Good action on it. Okay. We have our stick clamp for stick welding. Now I got this one with the Consumables package. Let's see, I'm guessing this, yes, is the Consumables package. So let's see what we got here. Can you see that? Not quite. Let's bring it back up here. And we'll go ahead and bring this to the middle of the frame. Okay, so we have a little organizer case with a number of our tips, some O-rings. It's looking pretty good. We got some more tips. That looks pretty nice. And some more. Honestly, since I haven't really done much in the way of plasma cutting or TIG welding or MIG welding, most of mine's been stick. I'm going to have to learn a lot about these tools. But you know, all things considered, it feels really nice. There's a torch for the TIG, plus some of the consumables. That looks really good. There's our plasma cutting handle. Bella. Bella, stop. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Ah. Desiccant filter for the airline. Well, that's exciting. Okay. Let's see. Got some clamps, and I think that's a bearing. Kickstarter limited edition. On a welder setting chart. That's nice. Okay. There's our cable. So this is 220 to 110, I think. That is I know I've seen some chatter on the forum from YesWelder. That is an N6 50P type plug. So this one's just your standard NEMA 515R. A little line of, I'm guessing, air hose there. Another little line of air hose. That'll be good. Go to the gas tank. All right. For a moment of truth, let's bring this thing out of the box. Alright, in the bottom of the box, we have another air hose, a little wire brush. Alright, so this is the brush that comes with it. It's got a steel insert there. This is just cast plastic and a couple of tines for the brush action. I mean, I've seen on the Facebook forum, people are kind of upset about this, honestly. I mean, it's for a home hobbyist. If I had no brush, this would work great. Is it ideal? Is it what, most of our welding brushes are? No, but, what I paid for this thing, I'm interested in that, and so are you. So let's do this. Get the stuff off of here. And this is the YesWelder Firstess MP200. So let's get a little closer to this thing, shall we? All right. See, I don't have one of those fancy deals that, well, it's got a nice feel to it. The auto level the camera and everything. Yeah, it's got a nice feel to it. Home button. Nice little LCD screen. Okay. So here we got our ports for different accessories. That's a gas, or no, that's for TIG, I think. It's power. A couple different lines. We got a clamp symbol, plus, minus. That's a weird little symbol. I'm not sure what that is. And that looks like, I guess that's a plasma cutting torch one. And we got this guy right here. Not entirely sure what that is. Obviously, I got a lot of reading to do on this thing. All right. Okay. All right, there's our spool mechanism. Okay. Honestly, that looks pretty good. Nice and clean right from the factory. I'm used to getting old equipment. A lot of times I gotta fix up. So, the back of this thing. Alright, we got a couple of fans. Big gas inlet, cut gas inlet. On-off switch. Air welder filtration installing place. Oh, I guess you can mount the desiccant there. Well, that's cool. That was thoughtful. So, Firstess MP200 TFT. And that'll be a multi-function power MIG, TIG, MMA, and cut. So, we got a little product warning label on the front. That is where we are at. So hopefully the next video I bring you will be us getting this going in the garage, ready to start some welding. So let's take another look at this consumables package. Alright, so cable, thing, or brush, airline, that's looking good. Gas line. Alright, a little sneak peek at the package there. What do we got? MIG gun consumables, lift TIG, welding description, front panel instruction. Let's see how to hook things up and which ports. And then how to put on your wire coils. Now, these are the welding parameters. I'm not sure how much use this is going to be just yet. In theory, this machine, once you set it to the right setup, it should pretty much do everything by itself. But I suppose this reference chart would be really good to verify that it's doing what you think it should be doing. So we'll see there. See a couple Kickstarter limited edition stickers. That's exciting. Alright, so let's take a look at this. We got I guess this is the plasma cutter. Yep, this is the plasma cutter. Oh, a little guard there. So that's nice. Can't turn that on accidentally. I'm not really sure what this goes to. Maybe in there? Maybe it was supposed to be around that. I'm not really sure. That's okay. Alright, so we'll put that back in the bag here. Wait, what else is in here? So that looks like it is some more tips. So I don't want to flop these all over the place. Smells like a new welder. It's fantastic. Alright. So I said that's the desiccant filter. Honestly, as good as any Harbor Freight desiccant filter I bought yet. So that's nice. I'm guessing this white box comes with the desiccant. Oh no, that's the pressure gauge. Sweet. Alright. Let's see, this box had our ceramic nozzles, I guess for the plasma cutter. Pure welding. YesWelder. Number of tips. This is a nice little case. I did not realize they'd send it in a little box like this, but I like it. Well, you have to be smarter than the box. There we go. Little antenna looking things. I'm not really sure what that is. Oh, I bet you they're like guides to help you with the cutting. Little glass jars. Okay. Oh, they're for the TIG torch. So they're to help with welding. Don't know exactly what they do. Oh. Interesting. So, decent little hookups. Okay. The MIG gun. Wow, that's nice. It feels as good as my Craftsman MIG welder now. You know, for those who are fans of Lincoln Electric or Hobart or some other big name brand, you know, I don't know that you would be happy with this. I've used a Lincoln Electric before. I got a number of friends that run Hobarts. Well, most of them tend to do a lot of fabrication, a lot of welding. I don't do an awful lot. Most of mine is fixing metal that I broke somehow. A few bracket fabrications, nothing major. I made the little metal brackets for my chicken tractor, which I'm still to show you in an upcoming video. There is your stick clamp. You know, the teeth could be a little nicer on that, but honestly, it's all copper plated. I kind of doubt it's solid copper. But it feels fine. I mean, I was using a Silver Beauty stick welder that the clamp on it was worse than this. Silver Beauty hasn't been around forever. Most people think, you know, older technology or older manufactured pieces would be better, but not all the time. Okay, so somebody on the YesWelder group on Facebook commented that the clamp action on this could be a little stronger. Honestly, again, this is a hobbyist welder, home hobby kind of thing. Could you use it in a factory? Probably. You probably get your best performance in a setting like that, but you know, this for a home hobbyist is plenty. And the fact that it's easily modifiable, I mean, I can go grab a welding clamp off of a older welder and throw it on here if I'm really that worried about it. That'll take all of 2 seconds the way they designed this. So I'm happy. Alright. Well, folks, that's the show. Thanks for coming to the Common Engineering channel. And, you know, hit like, subscribe if you would, and as I come out with new videos, the cart for this that I'll weld up using this, hopefully will be in the coming weeks. So, alright. Look forward to seeing you again.